Today your product me DOOGEE S98 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first we should launch the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here we can see the ring and notification volume panel, and just to mute our device notifications or sounds you should swipe this this volume panel to the left side. But by this way you will mute not only notifications, you will mute also your device ringtones. So just if you wanna mute only notifications, I suggest you just click here on the notification sound and switch your currently sound to the known, then tap here to OK, and now we can see that just we successfully muted notifications, but we'll stay with the ringtones. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.